Welcome to Southern Costa Rica's Osa Peninsula, a perfect place for a treehouse workshop and home to the largest trees in Central America. They're breathtaking, and when you're 50 feet off the ground, you're close to everything, including heaven. So get your cameras, your sunscreen, and your flip-flops packed and ready, and join us for our second annual Green Building Treehouse Workshop in Costa Rica. You'll have hands-on practical treehouse building from scratch. You'll learn sustainable methods for constructing treehouses in your own backyard. We'll be working with rare tropical hardwoods, bamboo. Meet our treehouse crew. Drew, Justin, Elber, and Wilbur will have everything ready to go. Dan Wright from Treetop Builders will be joining us from the U.S. Dan combines his experience with rigging and attachment with Mike's envelope-pushing treehouse ideas. It's a great opportunity to swing with the best monkey. During our 9-day workshop, you'll have plenty of time to hit the beach, go ziplining, waterfall rappelling. Oh, and then there's always that wildlife refuge where you can have monkeys right in your lap. Kayak in the mangrove, or just sit by the pool. Either way, you're bound to have a good time and a lot of fun. So come visit us in Southern Costa Rica. Explore the jungle and stay with us in our Rainforest Reserve. Go surfing, go to the beach, with 3 all-you-can-eat homemade meals by Blondie. That's me.
Let me go for the tackle.
Payback for hell.
You'll get a $300 discount if you book early. So contact Dan or Mike in Costa Rica and help us build our next amazing treehouse. Join us June 10th through 19th of 2011. Don't wait, as this workshop will most likely sell out in the next few months. This is a fun workshop vacation, and it makes a great gift too, so get your passports ready. Are you ready to swing with the best monkeys in the business?